Life is a journey marked by moments of joy and sorrow, success and failure, love and heartbreak. Sometimes, we experience pain so deep, it feels like the whole world has turned against us. We cry, not just with our eyes but with our hearts, yearning for relief, for understanding, for peace. Today, I want to share an emotional story, one that many people have lived through but few talk about openly. A story that will touch your soul and, hopefully, bring you healing. The story. There once was a man named Omar. Omar had dreams like any other young man, dreams of a happy family, a career that mattered, and a life full of love and respect. But life had other plans for Omar. His childhood was marked by hardship, loss of parents, poverty, and abandonment. Each loss chipped away at his spirit, and as he grew older, Omar found it difficult to trust people or believe in a better tomorrow. As Omar entered adulthood, the scars of his past began to shape his behavior. He struggled with anger, bitterness, and feelings of unworthiness. His relationships suffered, he pushed people away before they could hurt him, he doubted love when it came his way, and he built walls so high that even the closest friends couldn't reach him. One day, Omar met an old wise man who told him, "Your pain is not your punishment, but your teacher. Your wounds can be your wisdom if you let them be. But first, you must learn to forgive yourself and others." Understanding the pain. What Omar didn't realize was that pain like his isn't just a burden, it's a message. It tells us where we need to grow, what we need to heal, and who we need to become. Many of us suffer in silence, carrying emotional wounds from childhood, failed relationships, loss, and disappointment. These wounds affect not just us but also the way we love and connect with others. Tony Robbins often talks about the power of emotional states, that what we focus on grows stronger inside us. If we dwell on pain and bitterness, we feed that pain. But if we learn to redirect our focus toward gratitude, growth, and healing, we change our emotional landscape. The impact on relationships. One of the hardest parts about suffering is how it affects our relationships. Omar's story is a reflection of what many people go through. When we carry unhealed wounds, we might become defensive, jealous, or fearful. We might avoid intimacy because we fear getting hurt again. Tony Robbins advises that the foundation of any strong relationship is trust and communication. When you have experienced deep pain, building trust becomes harder, but it's not impossible. Healing starts with vulnerability, the courage to show your true self, including your fears and scars. In Islamic teachings, patience, sabr, and compassion, rahmah, are central values that help us navigate these trials. Forgiveness and mercy are not just virtues but powerful tools to repair and strengthen bonds. Steps toward healing and stronger relationships. Let's take inspiration from Tony Robbins' principles combined with Islamic wisdom to outline practical steps toward healing and improving relationships. Awareness and acceptance. The first step is recognizing your pain and accepting it without judgment. Omar had to face his trauma honestly. Denying pain only makes it fester. Forgiveness. Forgiveness is not about forgetting or condoning wrongs. It's about freeing yourself from the burden of bitterness. Forgiving others, and yourself, allows healing to begin. Changing your narrative. Tony Robbins emphasizes the power of storytelling in our lives. The stories we tell ourselves shape our reality. Change the narrative from, "I am a victim," to, "I am a survivor and a warrior." Building emotional intelligence. Learn to understand your emotions and communicate them clearly. This builds empathy and connection with others. Practice patience and compassion. Just like in Islam, where patience during hardship is a path to reward, practice patience in your relationships. Show compassion to others and to yourself. Seek support. Healing is often not a solo journey. Surround yourself with people who uplift you. Don't hesitate to seek counseling or spiritual guidance. Focus on growth. Use every challenge as an opportunity to grow spiritually and emotionally. Omar eventually learned that his pain gave him strength and wisdom to help others. The power of faith and hope. Faith can be a great healer. Whether it's faith in God, the universe, or simply hope for a better future, this belief can transform despair into resilience. In Islamic thought, trials are tests from God that build character and bring one closer to Him. They are never without purpose. Tony Robbins talks about the importance of having a compelling vision for your life. When your purpose is clear, pain loses its power. Omar found new meaning by dedicating his life to helping people with similar struggles. He found peace through giving back and connecting deeply with others. Relationship advice inspired by Tony Robbins and Islamic wisdom. Be present. Truly listen to your partner or loved ones. Give them your full attention and empathy. Communicate openly. Share your feelings without blame or defensiveness. Use I statements to express your emotions. Respect boundaries. Understand that healing takes time and space. Respect your loved one's pace and process. Show appreciation. Small acts of kindness and gratitude strengthen bonds. Invest in yourself. Work on your emotional health so you can show up as your best self. Build trust slowly. Trust is earned, not given. Be consistent and reliable. Practice forgiveness daily. Let go of grudges and choose love and mercy instead. Create shared goals. Build a vision together that inspires both of you. Final thoughts. The emotional story of Omar is not unique. It reflects the pain and hope of millions. By embracing your struggles and learning to heal, you not only transform your life but also your relationships. Tony Robbins and Islamic teachings both remind us that no matter how deep the pain, there is always a path to healing, love, and fulfillment. Your past does not define you, your choices today do. Choose healing. Choose love. Choose growth.